I really believe that the earth loves us back. And the earth, the sacred Mother Earth, has been missing us and is just ready to give us a warm embrace and nourishment and healing. And I encourage you, whether it is the jar of sprouts or the one tree that you take care of on your block or your very first garden plot, please get out there and let her embrace you, because she has so much wisdom to offer. And if you learn to tune your ear to that, it will benefit you, not just in terms of your physical nourishment, but in terms of your spiritual healing, your emotional healing, your sense of belonging and community. The earth is calling you home.
Hmm. And truly going to feed you some soul food. That's what
Ashe.
we want to give you. Ashe, ashe. Oh, good. Sit down and listen to your mama. So definitely, if you listen to Mother Earth, there's so much that would feed your soul. It's so true.